Here's the engine block and engine block I bought with crank and pistons. A long way to go with it, putting new rods and new pistons in it. I'm giving it a good wash at the moment, one of many washes. You really got to be careful with the water jacket. Look at all the muck out the water jacket. Some time ago I built an engine, and although I thought I was thorough with cleaning out the water jacket, it actually blocked the radiator, did all the bits and pieces. So it's something you must be really careful of, but this could be start of something big. Don't we always hope that's the case, and lots of money. But yeah, it looks okay, the bores look okay, the crank is okay, so the crank has to be ground down to take the rods, and I'll check the size of the bores or the engine. My engine guy will do that. I got an engine machine guy in Whitehaven just up the road, and he'll check the bore diameter. But yeah, it's cleaned up okay, and we'll move on from there. Shaft. It looks okay. We obviously it's going to be the rod end journal is going to be machined down to take a different, an all steel connecting rod, and the bores look okay on the block. I think maybe just slightly pitted. I'm hoping they'll come out with a horn. If they won't, we might just have to grind it slightly. Our engine man will tell me that. But yeah, all exciting stuff. The start of something big, we hope, eh? And dreams of turning that ignition key and listen to that Raleigh engine back. It is nothing better. Well, there we go. Beautiful. Forged pistons. Get them connected to the rods and get one in today. Beautiful. There you go, one polished crankshaft. Now this crankshaft has been around a bit. It was machined down at a machining shop in Dumfries. A man and his daughter, really professional people. And then it's been to Phil Speed Engineering in Torquay, where it's been balanced by David Phillips, Phil Speed Engineering. Probably one of the best racing engineers I've ever come across. Now, he also put in the end that spigot bearing. Now that the spigot bearing is, whether you can see that, it has a rim round it. So it takes a Ford gearbox. So now that crankshaft is in superb condition. All polished, balanced, ready to put in the block. Beautiful. Well, there we go, that's number one piston and rod in position. And it's now sitting at top dead centre. So it looks as if we've got quite a bit to take off the top of the block to give it some squish. Yeah, well, I think I need to go and get some dinner. I'm really pleased with that. Yep, moving forward. Fabulous. Well, moving along nicely. That's the short motor build. It's basically a starter build, really. I might have to strip it down when the head comes, because I might have to cut the bearings, cut recesses in the pistons for the valves. It depends on the clearance. I think that's a possibility, but anyhow, that's looking nice.